Okay, I've already started painting a little bit, but I want to show you this whole lesson is remembering how we actually paint. So if you notice, I'm kind of trying to move the color around. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a new color, and you're going to see me pick supplies up, but I don't want you to do that. I'm just trying to show you so that you can see in the screen. So say that I'm moving to another color. I'm going to make sure that my brush is clean, which means I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in my water. If I need to, I can get a tissue. I can touch my my brush to the tissue, and I'm gonna grab one really quick just to show you. If the tissue is clear when I touch it to the brush, that means I'm ready for my next color. I'm gonna get my brush wet. Say that I'm gonna go to red, okay? I'm gonna put my wet brush on the actual paint part, and sometimes that little hole in the middle kind of fills with water and is wet, so you can actually use that. And then I'm gonna go to the next spot. So today what we're working on is staying inside the lines, painting smoothly. So see, I'm going back and forth. And then I also don't want the same color next to the same color. So once I'm done with red, say that I'm done, I'm gonna rinse my brush. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're not gonna pick your water up. I'm just trying to show you. I'm gonna put it on the tissue. That tells me, oh, look, you can see a little red. So this is a great example. I can put it back in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Touch it to the tissue, and now I'm clean. Now I'm gonna move to the next color. I have to get my brush wet again. I'm gonna go to blue. So each time I painted something on my paper, I've actually painted 3 things. If you notice, 3 green, 3 red. So now I'm gonna go to blue, and I can actually do, sorry, I just hit that with my head. I can do the blue anywhere I want in the little shapes. And I'm always gonna go water, paint, paper, okay? And then I'm gonna paint a couple of these guys. Now, what if I wanna paint another area next to my colors blue? Can I do that? Sure. Now, why do I need to rinse my brush? Yeah, I think we all know the answer to that. We don't wanna mess up all these paints. So when we're done with a color, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then we're gonna move to the next color. Now, once you get done, you're fine painting whatever area you want to paint the heart. It doesn't have to be red. It could be turquoise. It could be whatever color you want. But remember, we're working on painting smoothly. If your paint looks really, really dry, like for example, if I go like this and I paint like this, does that look good? No, it's because I'm mashing my brush to the paper. So I want to dip it in the water. I'm going to tickle the paint with my brush. I'm not scooping the paint. I'm not scraping the paint. I'm literally tickling the paint with my brush. And then once I see that it's wet and it has paint on it, I'm ready to smooth it on. If you scrape the paper, you're gonna make a hole, okay? So you don't wanna do that. Once you finish painting the area again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and you're going to rinse it out.